Well, I had to do the YouTuber side. Anyway, I'm back again. I don't know what happened. No, I can tell you exactly what happened. So, the reason I haven't uploaded, and I think, it's been 2 years maybe? Something like that. I don't know exactly. So 2 years sounds about right. But 2 years. But the whole reason I haven't uploaded in that long of time is because I guess half of it stems from me just kind of losing an interest in the hobby for the longest time. I don't even know how. I still had it in me, but it wasn't really a whole lot. I kind of jumped ship and ended up, I don't know, pretty much. I just jumped to a different hobby, that being guitar playing, so I do that. But, recently, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna get into this again. Mainly because of the Derecho, which so happens to be the only thing I actually have footage of on my phone still, because for whatever reason the other stuff got deleted. But yep, so I don't know how I just randomly decided I'm gonna come back after 2 years of basically being radio silent to all but one person. I'm now I'm coming back, and we're gonna see what happens. I mean, it's at the end of severe weather season, so there won't be probably a whole lot. We'll see what we can do, but with no more weekly tests for me to captures, with school starting next week, and maybe one more severe weather outbreak. However, that'll probably happen when I'm working, so I won't be able to capture that at all, because I also have a job now, which definitely cuts in this. I've had plenty of storms with tornado warnings and stuff that I haven't been able to get anything of, because unfortunately I have a job and I have a life, which is fair enough, but yeah. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm back for the foreseeable future, and we'll see what happens. So hopefully I'll keep something happen. Hopefully the winter weather season will be good. That's a couple blizzard warnings we can hopefully get at that. But we'll see what happens. So anyway, here is the alerts and videos I have from the August 11th, 2026 Derecho.
This one doesn't want to go off. This one didn't go off. This one actually fine. Okay, we join us here.
Northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana.
See?
New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 18 nautical miles north of Burns Harbor, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 65 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high wind and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo and Michigan City.
Okay. So you join us here.
See what they're starting to say out of Northwest Indiana. 2,500 lightning strikes on this view. A lot of that across Northwest Indiana.
Okay, so join us here, and we have a line of tornado warnings spanning from northern LaPorte County, the county line of LaPorte and Berrien, all the way down to Stark County or Pulaski County. And this is the warning for the whole counties. And here's your velocity looks right here. It's just very messy. But this is all pretty messy here. But it's this stuff here that they're concerned about. This is the Boeing line, straight line wind, which can absolutely crash right into each other, and it could spin up and cause a tornado warning. It's about as simple as that. This is. We've already had 2 tornado warnings, and I didn't think it was gonna be so bad, but it's apparently worse than I thought. Here we go. Here we go. Tornado warning here. Ryan.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for Elkhart County,
Hopefully you heard that.
Indiana, St. Joseph County, Indiana, Northwestern
All Saints out?
Mansfield County, Indiana, Marshall County,
Bust me, radar.
Kenneth County in southwestern Michigan, Berrien County in
Oh, all St. Joe. All St. Joe, all Cass, all Berrien. Holy.
At 12:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable
This
of
is
producing
huge.
tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located along the
This
line
is-
extending
this
from
is
the north of Beverly Shores to near LaPorte to near Hamlet to near North Judson,
This is
moving east
like-
at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornadoes and wind gusts in excess of 100 miles per hour.
Holy!
Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include South Bend, Elkhart, Mishawaka, Goshen, Warsaw,
This is the biggest tornado warning I think I've ever seen.
Plymouth,
This is, oh my lord.
Bremen, Buchanan, Granger, Dunlap, Simonton Lake, Gulliver Park, Benton Heights, Fair Plains, and Osceola.
I mean,
The following highways: Interstate 196 near mile marker 0.
I'm speechless.
Interstate 80 in Indiana between
I-
mile marker 62 and 104.
I'm speechless.
Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 1 and 34.
Like,
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are
Dear
outdoors,
God.
in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko.
I mean, okay. So, I'm not running an IP station or anything, but almost all Berrien, all Cass, all St. Joseph, all Marshall, Western Kosciuszko, Western St. Joe, Michigan. Nah, not quite. It's not quite in St. Joe, Michigan. And Western Elkhart. Holy, this is big. Alright. Like we've got sirens. Not a whole lot started, but hearing rain's starting to come down. Okay, they go off because our county lines, they run about 2 minutes and they turn them off, and I think they run them again in like 5 minutes. They don't run them the whole time though. Some lightning. So let's see what happens. Flash flood warning, flash flood warning. So, there.
Southwestern Stark County in northwestern Indiana until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 11:44 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 4 inches of rain have fallen within the last 3 hours, making a total of up to 10 inches since yesterday afternoon. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Winnipeg, North Judson, Pulaski, Ripley, Denham, Beardstown, Van Meter Park, Star City, English Lake, Lawton, St. Pierre, and Lomax. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Lockport and Stark.
Holy.
This is a severe thunderstorm watch.
I mean,